Okay, hey guys, we're gonna be doing a lip gloss DIY. This is her idea, so whatever we do is her instructions, not mine. Her instructions. She went to make a video on it. We're just trying it out.
We don't know if it's gonna be a success.
The greatest funk. My left stroke just went viral. Right stroke put a baby in a spiral. Soprano C, we like to keep it on the high note. It's levels to it, you and I know. Bitch, be humble. Hold up, bitch, sit down. Hold up, be humble. Hold up, bitch, sit down. Be humble. Bitch, sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble.
So you want to do a little like this one? Okay.
Okay. This is my cousin.
Leah, go check me out at Leah's Life.
And we got my other cousin.
Qatar.
Let me fix it. Okay, so what's our first step?
So first you want to put how much lip gloss? Since we just trying, you just want to. Oh, this is Vaseline. This is the base.
You can get it at your local Family Dollar
or CVS.
Anyone.
You want to put it on?
You just do just show it.
So we all have some Vaseline on our thing.
You can actually put how much you want. It doesn't have to be a lot.
Yeah. Then we want to add just a little water if you want it like a little runny or
glossy.
Yeah, not like chapstick.
Not a lot.
Do not mix your water. Do not mix your water yet. You want to add what color you want.
I want a little bit of pink.
How much water to put?
Not too much since we're making a little.
This much?
Yeah. Then once it melts, it's going to be lip gloss.
I'm using green and red food coloring.
I'm just going to do red and
Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard. Work.
At the microwave, and you do not want to heat it up too much. I'm just gonna put it on 12 for now. And let's dance while it's waiting.
now we're all going to do that step, and then we come back with the finishing
touches.
Yeah.
And y'all watching the videos on YouTube.
Okay. That's important.
So we decided to add some vanilla for flavor.
Like that. Listen to this. Listen. Watch.
So now this is what mine looks like.
And you just gotta stir it.
It looks kind of
Where did it all
dusty.
go though?
But I'm talking louder because we have people in the background who doesn't want to be quiet. So we gotta talk
There wasn't nobody talking.
to be very loud. So now we're gonna just try out the lip gloss. Oh yeah, and hers kind of flopped.
Yeah, it was a very big fail. I'm about to put it on now.
So we're gonna try it
It's
now.
cold.
Why do you want hot lip gloss? Yeah.
So guys, I'm about to put mine on. Oh, this is good lip gloss. Want some more? Is mine glossy?
Hers
Yours good.
hers showing up. Mine's not. That's pretty much glossy.
Let me see.
We'll insert a picture of how we look.
To me.
Sorry, the noise.
So that's pretty much the end of this video. We're just testing out her little DIY she came up with.
Mine was a fail.
I guess you can try it, but whatever.
See how glossy it is? Try this at home.
Don't.
You just put too much water in your stuff.
It is.
No,
Yeah, mint leaf.
I don't. I know. I get dressed every day.
You get dressed every day.
Yes, and I look in my drawer.
What the heck are you doing?
Do not please do much.